LGBTQ. LGBTQ is an acronym that stands for lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender, and queer. It is used to refer to individuals who identify as any of these sexual orientations or gender identities. Lesbian refers to a woman who is emotionally, romantically, or sexually attracted to other women. Gay refers to a man who is emotionally, romantically, or sexually attracted to other men. Bisexual refers to someone who is attracted to both men and women. Transgender refers to individuals whose gender identity differs from the sex they were assigned at birth. Queer is an umbrella term that can include anyone who identifies as something other than heterosexual or cisgender, or anyone who rejects labels altogether. It is important to note that LGBTQ individuals face a number of challenges, including discrimination, prejudice, and violence, often as a result of their sexual orientation or gender identity. These challenges can manifest in many different ways, such as employment discrimination, hate crimes, or lack of access to healthcare. As a society, it is important to work towards greater acceptance and support for LGBTQ individuals, and to create safe and inclusive spaces for people of all sexual orientations and gender identities. This includes advocating for policies and laws that protect the rights of LGBTQ individuals, and promoting education and awareness about LGBTQ issues. Sexual orientation refers to a person's romantic, emotional, or sexual attraction to others. Gender identity refers to a person's internal sense of their own gender, which may or may not match the sex they were assigned at birth. LGBTQ individuals face higher rates of discrimination and violence than the general population. This can include verbal harassment, physical violence, and hate crimes. LGBTQ individuals also face higher rates of mental health issues, such as depression and anxiety, due to the stress and stigma they may experience. LGBTQ rights have advanced in many countries in recent years, with some legalizing same-sex marriage and adopting policies to protect the rights of LGBTQ individuals. However, there is still a long way to go in terms of achieving equality for LGBTQ individuals around the world, and there are many ongoing battles for LGBTQ rights, such as access to healthcare and legal protections against discrimination. LGBTQ individuals can also face additional challenges based on other aspects of their identity, such as race, ethnicity, religion, and socioeconomic status. It's important to note that the LGBTQ community is diverse and includes people from a wide range of backgrounds and experiences, and there is no one, right, way to be LGBTQ. How same-sex marriage will solve financial issues for LGBTQ couples? Legalizing same-sex marriage can offer financial advantages to LGBTQ couples, such as joint property ownership and inheritance and other rights and privileges that are currently exclusive to heterosexual couples. The Indian Supreme Court is currently hearing final arguments regarding several petitions that aim to legalize same-sex marriage in the country. Legalizing same-sex marriage could solve financial issues for lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender and queer, LGBTQ, couples by granting them the same consequential rights as straight couples, including the ability to jointly own property, nominate each other in bank accounts, and inherit properties. It could also lead to financial rights such as alimony and maintenance in case of separation, and provide societal privileges and recognition. Overall, it would broaden the mindset of society and provide the LGBTQ community with essential conjugal rights and personal liberties. Every marriage adds to the financial stability of the couples and adds to the security of both the partners. Same-sex marriages will not only solve financial issues but also provide personal liberties and choices. Every individual has the right to live in his own way, and perhaps this will broaden the mindset of our society in the years ahead, says Abhishek A. Rastogi, founder of Rastogi Chambers. What may change for LGBTQ couples? Being a first-class legal heir of your partner is in itself a privilege which LGBTQ couples do not enjoy at present, says Shweta Kapoor, partner, Singhania & Co. She says that for starters, there will be a number of consequential rights which will flow from marriage which flow to all straight couples and are obvious in straight marriages. Right to jointly own property, right to nominate each other in bank accounts, fill nomination forms at the workplace with names of your partner, nominate your partner in your mutual funds, insurance policies, are some of the things that will become possible for LGBTQ couples. At present, LGBTQ partners cannot inherit properties. LGBTQ parties will be able to jointly adopt children if marriage rights are granted, she adds. That is not all. The legalization will lead to financial rights such as alimony and maintenance in case of separation, and the couples will get societal privileges which are not there today, says Rastogi. It is anticipated that a lot of these marriages could involve even contractual agreements to reduce disputes and ambiguities, says Rastogi. Social activist Pooja Mukka says that the LGBTQ couple does not have the right to take medical decisions for their partners in the time of emergency due to the relationship and not being legally recognized. This will also change. If same-sex marriages are made legal, this will have a great impact on the rights of the LGBTQ community, because when Section 377 was abolished, there was a positive change seen in the society, she says. They will get recognition and social acceptance, thereby providing essential conjugal rights as well. It will also provide them with much-needed financial rights and privileges, she adds. Moreover, in a heterosexual society, a married couple brings in double income in the family and avail of several tax benefits. For instance, while seeking tax benefits on insurance, you are entitled to claim maximum of Rs. 1.5 lakh by way of reduction in respect of insurance premium payments, whereas the same rebate doubles up as a married couple. Regarding children, the law under Section 80C of the Income Tax Act, 1961, further permits tax rebates of up to Rs. 1.5 lakh on tuition and education fee, says Ekta Rai, advocate, Delhi High Court. These are just a few benefits of having a legitimate marriage as per Indian legal system. Legitimizing same-sex marriages would mean legal recognition for same-sex couples, and a legitimacy to the children adopted, born in these family units, permitting the couples to seek benefits such as the ones mentioned here and above, and more, without having to resort to means adopted by single or unmarried individuals, adds Rai. This will also entitle the children adopted, born under this family structure, to be recognized as legal heirs to the properties of their parents without the parents having to necessarily resort to making wills of the same. Legalizing the same-sex marriage will mean social recognition to an entire community which lives under the fear of having their rights violated in the name of non-legitimacy of their existence, says Rai.